Hi, Joanne. No, Berlin, Germany. Do you know Alan Capro? Oh. Okay. No problem. My friend Andrew Flintstone is at the ARS Electronica. Look at this, he became a human machine.
Stefan, are you there? Hey, okay, we're at ARS Electronica and we're at the human machine experiment, and I'm going to sign a waiver basically saying that if I die in this experiment, the artists here are not responsible. It's the anticipation of what's coming that makes me really nervous because I don't know what's coming. I check this out. I press the button and my arm moves automatically. See that? So I'm the guinea pig number 275 of today. I'm a new man. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, wow. What a machine, great potential if it was a little more advanced. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
It was very nice. Goodbye. Goodbye, you rocket boomers.
Andreas Feuerstein von der ARS Electronica. Back to you, Joanne.